In this video, we are going to take a look at the license options that Turing offers with our all-in-one video security platform. Turing Vision, our cloud-based VMS platform, offers 3 tiers of license: Basic, Essential, and Premium. I will go through Vision features one by one to expand on the feature and how it is supported in each tier. Let's get started. I will be utilizing this flyer throughout the video as a point of reference to walk through all options. You are able to download this by clicking on the link in the video description. The first set of features we are going to look at are Live View, Playback, and Download. These features are available with all 3 tiers, although there are some differences in Live View restrictions that we will discuss shortly. Let's take a quick look at these features. In Vision, a user has the ability to view up to 16 cameras simultaneously. Playback can easily be accessed through the camera icon in the bottom right screen. You can view up to 4 cameras simultaneously in Playback. Once in Playback, you can select the download icon, again in the bottom right corner of the screen, which will then prompt you to select standard or high definition and the start and stop time you are looking to download. Keep in mind that resolution, amount of time selected, and your internet speeds all play a part in how long it will take to download your selected clip. With Basic and Essential, you can download up to a 30-minute file and 60 minutes with Premium. The next feature we will discuss is the platform access. With all 3 tiers, you are able to utilize the Turing Vision mobile app, available on Android and iOS. You can also log in through our web app, which is done by visiting ai-video.turingvideo.com and entering your credentials. Next up is local and cloud streaming. But first, let's explain each. Local streaming is when you are viewing on a device that is located on the same local area network as the cameras. Cloud streaming is when you are remotely connected or on a different network than your cameras and therefore accessing the cameras through a Turing server. Local streaming is typically faster, as it does not depend on internet speed or bandwidth. Local streaming is unlimited and available with all 3 tiers. With cloud streaming, you will be prompted to refresh after 5 minutes with Basic and every 4 hours with Essential and Premium. The refresh is a simple prompt to make sure you are still watching. To change your stream method, go to Settings, Org Settings, then use the drop-down menu to select your stream method type. Auto is selected by default. The final item on our first section is the Google Sitemap. This feature is available with all 3 tiers and is shown on the Vision home screen to indicate the physical location of all sites the user has access to. We will now move on to discuss the smart analytic features within Vision. Up first are Basic Alerts. Basic people and vehicle alerts are simply looking for a person or vehicle. No attributes are taken into account. Push notifications for Basic Alerts are available through the app on the Basic tier, through the app and email on Essential, and app, email, and text notifications on Premium. The next feature is Intelligent Alerts. These alerts utilize our core AI for a greater level of information. Intelligent Alerts allow for customized alerts based on attributes of people and vehicle, such as type and color of clothing, and color, make, and type of vehicle. You can also set up alerts based on license plate information. Intelligent alerts are only included with our Premium tier. Next up are our people and vehicle events. With our Basic tier, you will receive a notification in the form of a generic icon. This notification will remain visible to you for 7 days. Moving up to Essential, you will receive a snapshot of a person or vehicle providing greater detail. This snapshot is stored in the cloud for 7 days. And with our Premium tier, your events will be in the form of 5-second video clips. These clips are retained in the cloud for a period of 30 days. The next feature is Smart Video Search. This feature is only available with our Premium license. This allows you to search people and vehicles based on attributes. For example, you could search for a person wearing a red shirt. By default, the search time is set for 7 days for optimization of returned results, but you have the ability to search up to 30 days. Once you have selected the attributes you are looking for, hit search, and your results will appear in the form of thumbnails. You can narrow your results down by site, and even by camera to reduce the amount of results. Then as simple as hovering over each thumbnail to view a 5-second video clip until you find the event you are looking for. You also have the ability to search people by face. You can utilize faces that have been captured by your cameras, or you can upload an image to search for a specific individual. You can assign a name or ID number to any image for ease of searching. For this example, we will search for a person we have previously named as Great Shopper. You can do this one of two ways. You can either hover over the image of the person you wish to search for and hit the arrow that appears, or if you have named them or assigned an ID, you can enter that information in the Search People screen and results will appear across all sites, all cameras. Searching for vehicles is the same process with different options. You can search by license plate number, vehicle color, vehicle type, and even vehicle make. For a quick example, we will search for a white Ford pickup truck. After selecting the desired attributes, hit search and the results will appear in thumbnails, the same as in People search. Next up in Smart Analytics is Cloud Archive. Cloud Archive is available with all 3 license tiers, with the difference being the amount of storage per licensed camera you have. You will get 1 gigabit with Basic, 5 gigabit with Essential, and 30 gigabit storage with Premium. This storage limitation is per camera. Archiving video alert clips or playback video is very simple with Turing Vision. If you wish to archive a video alert you have received, you will click on the archive icon located on the left side under the video clip. After selecting Archive, you will be prompted to give it a title and any optional notes that may be beneficial. Archiving playback video is equally as easy. In this scenario, the archive icon will be located in the bottom right of the screen. After selecting Archive, you will be prompted to select Standard or High Definition and your start and stop time. After clicking Next, you will be able to create your archive title and any pertinent notes. Accessing your archived videos is done by selecting the Archives button. Depending on the size of the video you have archived, it may not be immediately available in the folder. This leads us into the last feature in Smart Analytics section, which is the ability to share video, alert clips, and live video. This feature is exclusively available with the Premium license. With Basic and Essential, the user will need to download video clips and share in the traditional sense. Let's take a look at the process to share an alert clip and archived video. The process is basically the same for both, other than the location of the share icon. For an alert clip, you will select the share icon located under the left side of the video clip. For archive video, you will need to hover over the clip you wish to share, and a share icon will appear. With both types of video, after selecting share, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's information, how long the link will be valid, and any message you wish to include. Because the video is stored in the cloud, you are simply sharing a URL, so the recipient will receive the video within a matter of seconds. For the Enterprise section, we see that Active Directory, Audit Log, and User Group are all available for the Essential and Premium license. Active Directory and Single Sign-On, or SSO, offer the ability to integrate into platforms that make it easier for users to log in and allows administrators to manage those logins from one centralized location. Some examples of these are Google Okta, Microsoft Azure, and Microsoft Active Directory. Next up is Audit Log and IP Authorized List. This allows the administrator to control where, as well as how users of the account can log into the Turing Vision platform. It also provides an audit trail of who logged in, from what location, and when. The IP Authorized List can be set up to only allow login to the Turing Vision account from a specific IP address or IP address range. This can be either a local or public IP address. And lastly is User Groups. This gives the ability to manage permissions for multiple people across multiple sites. By grouping users together, it allows the administrator to quickly assign or change permissions to an entire group, rather than individually. And now we will cover the warranty section of our license tier breakdown. Let's start with device health alerts. With our basic license, you will receive health alerts for the NVR and bridge. With Essential and Premium license, device health alerts would also include cameras. Regardless of which level of license you have, Basic, Essential, or Premium, you will be eligible for Vision software upgrades. Since the Turing platform is cloud-based, the updates occur on our servers, eliminating the need for anything to be done on the user's side. Next up is over-the-air, or OTA firmware updates. This applies to the bridge, NVR, and Turing cameras. This feature is available with all 3 license tiers. Anytime a firmware or system update is available, you will be prompted through the app and web platform. You then have the ability to remotely update your devices, saving you time and headaches. And the last topic in this section is warranty extension. All Turing products come with a standard 3-year warranty. With the premium license, you get the additional perk of carrying a warranty on Turing cameras for up to 10 years. In order to take advantage of this, a camera must have the premium license applied during installation. As long as there are no lapses in premium license coverage, the Turing camera will have a warranty on it, up to 10 years. Let's move on to the last topic in today's discussion, integration. The Turing Vision platform allows for integration with third-party on-viv cameras. This requires an essential or premium license to be accomplished. Verify through the Turing website or your Turing representative what features you can expect with the camera you are looking to integrate. In addition to third-party cameras, Turing also offers the ability to integrate with other third-party devices such as access control, IP speakers, and environmental sensors. This list is constantly expanding, but does require the premium license in order to take advantage. Thank you for joining Turing today to learn more about our solutions. We hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for your support.